Hi, I'm Irfan. In this video, I will share a tutorial how to create an editable cutout text effect in Inkscape. Here, I will give some tricks to create these cutout effects. Okay, let's open Inkscape. Here, I create a rectangle with a size for width and height is 1400 and 800 pixel, and then here I give a gradient color like this, and give a green color with color code like this. Okay, you can setting the handle of gradient color. Okay, next we will create text. Here I type Inkscape. For font we use Anton, and for font size we fill number 189, 86, and for spacing between letter we fill number 5, and make center. Here I open align and distribute and make center. Okay, for the text, here I change the color to red or pink like this, and then next we will give a effect with drop shadow. Click left preview, click option, shadow type, so we choose inner, blue radius number 4, horizontal number -3.5, and for vertical 6.5. For blur color give a black color, and for alpha we fill number 60 and click apply and close. Click filter again, shadow and gloss, and click drop shadow. Click options, click author, click left preview, blue radius we fill number 1.9, horizontal 4.4, and vertical -3.1. Give a white color, and alpha we fill number 26 and click apply and close. Okay, click filters again, shadow and gloss, drop and shadow, option, auto, left preview. For blue radius we fill number 0, and horizontal offset we fill number -1.6, and for vertical offset we fill number 0.9, and blur color give a white color, and alpha is 20. Okay, click apply and close. Okay, make center, and next we add text, editable, bebas new, 35 and 35 and 20. Here I give a white color. Okay, for this text effect, you can change the text. Here I type Kim, Blender, shortcut. Here I type Inkscape. Okay, in this steps we have completed this cutout text effect. I think that's enough for this tutorial. Sorry if there are mistakes in this tutorial. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.